Pred kratkim je Miha Šalihar na Valu 202 poslušalcev vprašal, kaj si mislijo o motoristih. Odgovore si velja poslušati za nazaj, saj so še en lep dokaz, kako počasi se v družbi znebimo zakoreninjenih stereotipov. In ko smo že pri stereotipih. Ne glede na to, kako širokega obzorja in nazorov smo lahko motoristi, ko pride do števila koles na motociklu, poznamo samo številko 2, ampak ne 2 kolesi spredaj. Niken, kar po japonsko pomeni 2 meča, je Yamahin poizkus razširiti obzorje motoristom in jih naučiti šteti do 3.
Well, it was certainly not Yamaha's objective to go for 3 wheels. It was more like a solution. To give you a bit of insight, Yamaha was looking for a motorcycle that had a lot more cornering performance. So think of something conceptually, a motorcycle, but then all the sensations are amplified. So Yamaha was starting to think about that, and of course, as you know, as an experienced motorcycle rider, you know that if you want cornering performance, you need increased front-end grip, and came up with Yamaha's solution, LMW, meaning leaning multi-wheeler. So in the front, 2 wheels. Leaning because we wanted to be a motorcycle.
A bistveno je v resnici samo eno. Kako se Niken pelje? Odlično. Najprej preseneti lahkotnost upravljanja. Mogoče je tudi malo psihološka reč, saj je Niken na slikah videti veliko zajetnejši, kot je v resnici, in smo zato pričakovali večje obremenitve mase na prednji kolesi. In potem so tu ovinki. Najprej so občutki mešani, saj ne veš, kam v cesarstvu motorističnih čutil bi jih postavil. Ko pa se zgodi klik v glavi, in ta se zgodi v povezavi z iz ovinka v ovinek večjim zaupanjem v oprijem s prednjih koles, gre Niken v ovinke kot po tirih. Zaviraš lahko kasneje in globlje ovinek, z več zaupanja v oprijem pa močneje nagneš in tudi prej pospešuješ.
Because of its characteristics, it is true that you can ride in a different way. With that front-end grip, you can have a higher speed in the corners. You can have a higher lean in the corners, and that gives you a whole lot of confidence.
Novo tehnologijo nagibnih koles LM2W, Leaning Multi-Wheel, so naslonili na zelo svojevrstno izvedbo krmilnega mehanizma, ki deluje po Ackermannovem principu. Ta omogoča v zavoju optimalno pot tako notranjega kot zunanjega kolesa, ki sicer ne peljeta po enakem radiju.
What is very particular about this leaning multi-wheel system is this part here, which is called the parallelogram link. And the function of this link is, it will determine how the bike leans from side to side. Also, it holds the suspension system at the left side and the right side. So this is the key element of the leaning multi-wheel system. It's very rigid and determined in such a way that leaning and steering goes in a very natural way, like on a 2-wheel motorcycle. We have a double upside-down front fork, and what is interesting to know is that both of the fork legs have different functions. The rear one has a diameter of 43 millimeters, and this has the function of suspension. Whereas the front of the tubes is 41, so it's a different specification, 41 millimeter, and the function of that fork, so leg, right and left, is to guide the whole front and also to support the damping function. When choosing for an LMW system, you add extra technology. There's an extra wheel, there's extra front legs, and there is this parallelogram link, and of course that is extra weight. To make sure that doesn't affect the whole weight balance of the bike, specific chassis has been chosen, and also what has been done is to place the handlebar a little bit backward with an offset construction. This means that the rider, when the rider is on the bike, he or she will actually sit a little bit more rearward. So with this, we ensure that the weight ratio with the rider on board is very, very close to 50-50, which is perfect for natural riding.